Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply Kiss press-on nails. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Let's start the video. I will not be using these glue pads. I will be using the glue that came with the set in the tube. The first step in this process is cutting my nails. I'm going to be cutting them as short as I can without cutting them into the quick. This way the nails will last longer before growing out and you won't see your real nails under the fake ones. You want to cut your nails in a round oval shape. This way you will not see the sides of your nails under the fake ones. The second step is to match the fake nail to the size of your real nail. It is very important that the fake nail is the same size as your real nail. This will help the nails last longer and not come off as easy. To make sure that you are using the same nail size on both hands, check the number on the inside of the nail. Now I'm going to be using the tool that came with the nail set. I'm going to be pushing back my cuticles. This also helps the nails last longer. I'm also going to be applying cuticle oil. Next, I'm going to be applying a rubbing alcohol pad to the nail surface. It will remove oils and ready the nails to receive the fake nails. The file has a rough side, which is the dark blue side, and the light blue side is the smoother side. I'm going to be using the light blue side and gently filing my nails. This will help the glue stick to my nails better and last longer. Next, I'm going to apply the glue covering my whole nail. Then I'm going to take the nail and make sure it's lined up straight and not crooked, and then I'll press down and hold the nail down for 5 to 10 seconds. Too big for my real nail, so I'm going to be taking the file and I'm going to file the nail down to fit. some glue along the inside tip of the nails. This will help hold the nails to last longer. Don't forget to subscribe, I would love to have you. If you want to see a part 2 about how long Kiss press-on nails last, like and comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.